Good morning, guys. Good morning.
This is our second day.
Inland Konsolasyon. Hindi ko na naabot yung ano. No, madigdi pa gaangsan. Sabi ni Francine kanina, wala da ang sabi. Ako nagluwas. So, sabi niya, gigisingin po ba ang people? Sabi ko, di ba sabi niya, gisingin kapag ano, may sun.
Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night.
Yes.
Feel the sun
Naka-transform na
Nakaura
si
na
Jonah.
ako.
Naman, pasad.
Hi, Becky. Ay, sus.
Morning person.
Huh?
Morning person.
Morning lang ba kung person?
Hi! Wake up muna si Grace.
Wake up ba? Ah?
Si Grace mo ang pinakaalingad na talo.
Ay, just kait na ikaw. Breakfast na. Ah, dito ako sa ibo. Muli. Dito ka sa ibo? Ako mo naman? Ako mo naman? Ako mo naman?
Pansin mo, mga ayam sa dagat.
We're eating pamahaw.
Day 2 na guys.
Day ko na, guys. We're eating ang pamahaw.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Asing ko. Dapat dyan na daw tayo naga.
You like this, and I love you like that. It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. Yahoo! It's so cold, but there were flashes of light. The things that made you again, but there was always in pride. The nights were very special, and it's always all left in You will kiss your wings slamming up the top. It'll paint myself so strong against somehow. Yahoo! And never wasted any of its time. So back to me now. There are moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then they always seem right. Touch me like this. When you whisper like that.
Diba?
Now we're waiting, but it's all coming back to me. In my head, zombie, 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 what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie,
Doon siya,
Parang may
Ano yung ginawa doon?
kamay.
Parang
Si mama mo saan nag-work?
Sa...
Teacher yun.
Wow! Who's that? Mama Mary. Very good. Woo!
Hindi alam ang edad ng nanay.
Nakayag na, hoy!
Yes.
Galing!
This is my live function.
And I don't know. Dugi?
But since I survived, never. Tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night.
With the world is ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and my time on earth was true, I wanna hold you, just feel my anxiety to smile.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Nakaupo na po siya, guys.
Para ng
Ano?
pahiga na concert.
Ma'am, ano ba bakit ang tindahan?
Dapat ang
Ha?
Pag nakaigda.
Ayun na kay Ali.
11:26 na.
Na-board siya kaya kanina.
Oo, kanina nga, na-board siya. Tapos bigyan niya magduman. Kung nailing niya suinit, ayaw niya na ulit.
Ikaw taro lang.
Ano na?
Wherever you go, that's where I follow.
Oy, naka-power saving mode siya.
Ako na, ikaw na.
Nabo niya na. Sawa na kaya siya dyan.
Like the last time.
Kasi, ayaw tumag kita.
Setting
Bakit sa payo?
next to you.
Nakapayong kay mo ano.
Kurusun sabi ko din na magpalo.
I was over and all thought
Can you sing?
was true.
Ay hindi na at ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na at kung bukas magmulat ng aking mata may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Hindi pa.
Makauna talaga ito.
Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko?
Kundo.
Ay, napin...
Alat. Katibay na niya mo.
Tingnan, tulog na. Ay, may tulog na. Baba ako daw kung tulog na. Ay, tulog na talaga. Ay, tulog na si Cheska.
Ano yan?
Lovely birds, flushing